presenting the Android-controlled smart dustbin made by the final year students in Electronics and Telecommunication Department of KG Engineering Institute, Bishnupur. Now let's have a closer look at the components that are used in this project. Now let's turn on the power supply and let me show you how it works. Now take a look at the shredder which works inside. Now I must say that all the blades you can see on the shredder are handmade by using electrical equipments, and we have developed our application from Blink, and this is the application interface. Now watch the full process from front side. So it detects the motion and opens the lid, then we insert scraps inside, then the shredder turns on. Then after a while it automatically stops. Then from our application we can open the outlet and put out the scraps. Then from the application we can close the outlet. So this is how it works, and we have a special feature in it. So when the scraps gets full inside, it sends notification into the configured devices, and we can also monitor the current level of scraps inside. So this is all about our project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.